Hey everybody, I want to do a really quick video today. I wanted to do a video on how to get a Metamask account into your web application from here. Now do keep in mind here that I'm sure you guys know with web development, it's always a little funky, especially with dealing with browser plugins and different things like that. I can't speak for every possible browser on every possible device everywhere. Like if you use Internet Explorer on like a Windows phone, it's going to be a little different than this rendering on a Chrome on a desktop, right? So we'll talk about a little more in a second here, but just do keep that in mind here. This should work for most applications, for most needs, but do keep in mind it probably won't work for everything with most things with web dev. So I have a pretty basic React application from here. The only thing I have in the page is a button, and this is called a get account from here. So what I'm going to do at the very top, the one plugin, the one pack. Now, the one thing I will say is that you do need to run npm i web3. You need to install the web3 package, otherwise this won't work obviously here. All right, so at the very top of your script from here, we're going to say import, and we're going to import web3 with a capital W from web3. Pretty simple from there. Now, everything from this point onward is going to be done within this function from here. Do note that's an async function. I actually don't think we need to use it for this particular. Actually, we do need to use it for this particular one. So make sure that your function is async. And again, we are calling this as an anonymous function. So when we hit the button, that's how that's set up from there. Okay. So what we're going to do here, again, I can't say that this will work for every application with everywhere. So what I'll probably do if I was going to run this into some type of production environment, I'll probably surround this with a try catch. Right now, I'm not going to do that just for simplicity of code. So what we're going to do is say window.web3. This is going to be set equal to new web3 with a capital W here, window.ethereum. And then beneath that, we're going to say const accounts equals await window. If I can type properly here. Come on here. Window.ethereum.request. Now, this is the part that trips a lot of people from here. Within this request function from here, we're going to give it an object, and we're going to say method, I should say not methods here. We're going to say eth underscore request accounts with a capital A there, accounts. And then beneath that there, let's just set this as an alert. So do know that this returns an array of all the accounts here. So I'm going to do an account at position 0. And I'm going to say this from here, a little typo, but that's okay. Fix it up. Now, do know, again, I'll probably surround this with some type of try catch from here. If I bring this back over here and I refresh the page here, as of now, my MetaMask is not connected. So now do know, as of right now, my MetaMask is not connected to the site here. Different accounts can be connected to different sites. Right now, I think I went through and I disconnected all of my accounts. So let's just hit this button. Let's see what happens. Cool. So again, if this was production, I would probably surround this with a try catch, because right now we're greeted with a little window from here, like what would you do if a user canceled this here, or they didn't connect their accounts like that there. Again, right now, just for ease of code and ease of video. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and connect my account. I'm going to say I approve this, and now we have my account being printed in the alert box from there. And what we'll do just to see what happens here, let's go ahead and disconnect this account. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Hit the button there, and we'll say, no, I don't approve that. So we did get an error in there. What we'll do is we'll try to do something like try. I said I wouldn't do this, but that's okay. A little bonus for you guys here. Catch E. Do something like alert. User denied the connection. So you could do something like that. You could even surround it with a try catch in case there is no Web3 window from there. User denied. We'll just say something like, why don't we do this here? Error with Metamask. Something like that there. Get account. If we deny the transaction, cancel. Error with Metamask. If we try again, and this time we approve the account, right? Now we have our account printed there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. It's a pretty simple thing once you know what you're doing here, but if you don't know what you're doing, it can be a little bit difficult to get started from here. You're going to hook up window Web3 for a new Web3, and then you're going to request the accounts with this line right there, and then we're just using the first position of the array. And I think that's it. If you guys learned something, be sure to give me a comment down below, thumbs up, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.